Hello guys, so I want to prepare this healthy and easy delicious salad. So the first thing I have is my lettuce leaf, I have my grilled boneless chicken, I have my peas, I have my carrot and my egg, and I also have my cherry tomatoes. So watch till the end to see how I prepare this delicious.
So the first thing I do is to chop my lettuce leaf into smaller sizes and add it into my bowl. I will also chop my boneless chicken. I grilled this chicken by myself, so I will chop it and add it also into the bowl. At this point, I'll be adding my green peas. You can see how it's already looking. I will grate my carrots and also add into the bowl. I'll cut my cherry tomatoes and also add it in. At this point, I'll be cutting my egg, which is my final ingredient, and I will also add it in. You can see how it's looking. So at this point, I will combine everything together, and you can mix it with any salad cream of your choice. And if you're a lemon fan, don't forget to add lemon, because it is also good when you are watching your weights. Thank you guys, and bye for now.